I decided to take the 3 dogs to the dog park, and I don't think Bonnie or Betty have ever been to a dog park. They're very excited. So is Lola. There goes Bonnie. They're running their little hearts out. Everyone's happy. Yeah. And Betty is way down there. Can you see her? She's way far away, checking out the whole park, checking out the perimeter, the edge. They get to run as fast as they want. And luckily, we're in the small dog park. All the big dogs are over there on the other side of this fence, which is probably good because they're so new to this. It's better to keep them apart until I know what's going on. But they're very happy. Everybody's running. It's a beautiful day for this. Oh. I brought a dog dish with a lot of water, so in a little while I'll be able to give them some water. Everyone's having a lot of fun. It almost looks as if they're smiling. There's Lola way down there. So this is Bonnie and Betty's first time at a nice dog park, and I thought I'd share it with you. Yeah, and Lola's having a good time too, aren't you, Lola? Yeah.